Hi everyone! Welcome back again sa channel ko po. And new viewers, welcome din po. And please, kung mga bago kayo na mga viewers, sana suportahan niyo po ako. Bago niyo tapusin yung reading niyo po, sana mag-subscribe po kayo. Help me build my channel back again. And to all my lovely subscribers, salamat sa lagi niyong support niyo sa akin po na pinapakita, binibigay po. Thank you so much for a wonderful, na-appreciate ko talaga. And for all of you na naka-resonate for my previous mga readings thank you so much sa pagko-comment nyo, for letting me know. Okay, let's begin your readings. Yung reading po ito, hindi lahat talaga makaka-resonate po so leave it behind. Okay po? And yung iba naman, kung maka-resonate, manifest it, claim it. Okay? Now, let's begin your reading. Oops, meron tayong ask with sincerity. Okay. Meron tayong ask of sincerity. I feel like I wanna get one more. Parang ito, energy. Okay. Tapos, meron tayong let go and enjoy. Okay, dito natin siya ilagay. Okay, meron tayong tea leaf dito. Okay. Okay, i-divide ko na lang muna. Kasi di talaga kaya. Maliit kasi yung kamay ko. Na dyan. So, take this one. So, meron tayong club. Someone will try to make you do something against your will. Will, parang ito no? Kung hindi mo naman kung ayaw mo naman may ipapagawa sa iyo or may nakikiusap sa iyo kung ayaw mo naman, you tell the person na, I'm not willing to do it kasi I'm not happy. Wag nyo akong ipagawa na something na hindi ko naman gusto na i-regret ko din, di ba? Yun yung sinasabi, yun yung energy niya po. Ano kaya yan, no? So, we'll get more as we go along. Tsaka, walang mga hurt feelings, So, mo na lang yan. Kumbaga, ipasa mo sa isang tainga, i-enjoy mo yung the rest of your life. Don't let anybody affect you, kung ano man yung favor na yan. Diba? Kasi napaka mo. Siguro kung ano man yung klase na kung ano man yung klase na ni-ask sa'yo, parang hindi mo talaga siya gusto kasi nagagalit ka super galit ka. Kung ano mo yung pinapagawa or favor. No? So, let's take a look more. Okay. Meron tayong funnel. Period of frustration, lessons to be learned. Let's see. Siguro, ayaw mo siguro it's from the past, you learn something na you don't wanna go back to that again. Okay? Kaya ayaw mo. And meron tayong ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. So, it could be you or the other person, stubborn. Meron tayong needle and thread, a sincere wish will be granted. There you go. Meron tayong crib, birth or conception of a child or enterprise. Either a new birth, new beginning, or you know someone nga magkakaanak tapos ikaw ay part of that process. Siguro magiging ninang ka, ninong, or siguro ikaw yung tumutulong sa babae na you're there to support that person, you know, na yung nanganganak. Okay? Ano pa? Oops. Okay. There are few energies in here. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa. There are few. Okay. Meron tayong Knight of Wands. Yung wish na mag-grant, no, it's starting to materialize. So, may makikita ka na something is progressing or makaka-receive ka ng news na makukuha po na siya. Okay? Yun yung sinasabi niya dyan po. Meron din po tayong Six of Pentacles. Kung ikaw ay or someone, no, either you or or someone na tinutulungan mo, no, na manganganak, ikaw yung nag-support sa sa birthing niya, no, nanganganak na siya, no, na-appreciate ka nila. Okay? Na-appreciate yung tulong, support mo. Okay. Ano pa? Oops, ang dami. But we'll get this one. Meron tayong the Sun. Meron talagang granted na may wish talaga na mag-grant. It's time of joyful and happiness, especially when after the birthing as well, no? Successful naman yung birthing mo. Successful, walang problema. Okay, ano pa? Meron tayong the Emperor. Ito nga decision mo. Ikaw ay kung hindi ka pa nagbigay ng decision, no, kung ano man yung favor na inano sa iyo ni ask, no, nag-aantay sila sa sa decision mo. Okay? And it's right lang naman talaga, tama lang naman talaga na magiging either yung magiging stubborn ka or magiging aggressive ka towards that one. Kasi hindi mo gusto yung favor na ni-ask sa iyo eh. Kaya nagagalit ka. So, gawin mo, sabihin mo. Huwag mo nang paantayin that long. Sabihin mo, ayaw mo. Or it could be that whoever is asking you the favor, no, so stubborn na hindi ka nila i-let go, na parang fino-force ka talaga nila na mag-ask sa'yo ng favor. Okay, ano pa? May mawi-wish na mag-grant, magiging masaya ka. successful birthing, ano pa, may new opportunities coming. Oh, wow. Marami talaga, oh. Meron tayong the devil. Oh, careful kayo. Mag-iingat sa mga temptations. Temptations at saka yung mga iniisip na hindi maganda. Nag-iisip ko na hindi maganda. So, careful lang po kayo. Baka iba-bribe ka niya na kung ano man yung inaas na favor, no? May bribe pa. So, careful. Baka magsisisi ka. At saka pati, ayaw mo talaga siya eh. Ayaw mo talaga na ano na yan, favor na yan. So, bigay mo na ang desisyon. Sabihin mo, ayaw mo. Kasi baka pagsisihan mo yan. Nagdagdag sa problema mo pati. Okay. Ano pa? Meron pa ba? Okay. Meron tayong 5 of Pentacles. Talaga lang, magsisisi ka pag kung kunin mo yan, no? I-force mo yung sarili mo, no? Kahit iba-bribe ka, no? Maano ka nito eh. There's a chance that you get tempted kasi may bribe. So, sabihin ko sa'yo ha, itong energy na 5 na Pentacles, magsisisi ka sa huli. Hindi ka talaga sasaya, whatever is that favor na ihilingin sa'yo. Advice ko sa'yo, wag mong kunin, magsisisi ka talaga. I swear. Yun yung energy mo yan. The Chariot. Okay, meron tayong the Chariot. Meron tayong Nine of Swords, sorry. Nine of Swords. Matatapos na ang antay mo na whatever is your wish na igagrant, no, marireceive mo. Marireceive mo na. Okay? Whatever is that. Maano ka na. Ibibigay na sa'yo ng Divine Universe. Wish granted eh. Okay? Meron tayong the world. Oh, there you go. The world. Matupad na talaga. Meron nga tayong sun, the world. Oh, there you go. Makukuha mo na yung kung ano yung ni-wish mo, no? Wish granted. Okay. Kung ano man yung hiningi mo, sa'yo na yan. Ibibigay na. At saka, kung sino man yan nag-aas ng favor, please, advice ko sa'yo, wag mong kunin. Kahit kaano pa kalaki yung bribe na yan na iba-bribe ka, wag mong kunin dahil magsisisi ka sa huli. I swear to you, that's your energy. You will go through hardship. Talagang mag-ano ka tito. Talagang iiyak, sobra pa sa iyak. Magsisisi ka, wala na, it's too late kung kunin mo yan. It's too late to turn it's too late to turn back. Magsisisi ka. So, wag mong kunin. Okay? Wag mong kunin kung ano yung favor na yan. Meron tayong 4 of Wands. Okay, 4 of Wands. Celebration. Wish granted celebration, new birthing, kung sino mang manganganak. Ayan. Successful yung delivery niya at you are actually celebrating it. Together, kung sino man nag-support, kung ikaw ba nag-support o ikaw bang sinuportahan, ikaw ba ang nanganak, ayan, successful. Celebration. It's a very healthy baby. It's a healthy, I feel like it's a healthy boy. Yung iniisip ko, yun lang lumabas sa isip ko agad, boy, not girl. Parang it's a little boy. Mm-mm. Isi-celebrate nyo yan kasi it's a first child. First child na ma-born dito sa world. It's a first child. Wow. There's gonna be a big celebration. Well, hindi naman siya kalaki-lakihan ba? It's a celebration with family and of course you're included. Okay? Kung ikaw man ang nag-support, you're included. It's not quite big celebration. It's just a simple yung kaliitan lang siya na celebration. Basta magse-celebrate kayo. To welcome the little boy. I feel like it's a little boy. It's a first child boy. Okay, ano pa? Ang ganda ng energy nyo. Kasi, hindi lang wish granted, but ginabayan pa kayo na, kung kukunin mo yan, magsisisi ka talaga. So, there's a warning as well in there. So, it's really a good energy that you have kung sino mang makaresonate nito. It's beautiful energy. Okay. Wala na ba? Parang meron pa eh. I just can't find that energy. Let me find one more. Parang meron pa eh. I just can't find it. Hang on. It's coming. Parang yan. Yan, Ten of Pentacles. Sabi ko sa iyo eh. Magiging masaya ka. Okay? Not just wishful granted, but also it's a happiness. See? Children. It is also this Ten of Pentacles, it is also a prediction card na magkaka-baby ka. Yun na nga, magkaanak ka nga. Kung sino man tong magkaanak, it's a little boy. Parang feel ko talaga 100%, 99% to 100% little boy siya. It's a baby boy. It's a happiness card. See, it's a sharing card as well, no? Na contentment, sharing of happiness. Isi-celebrate nyo kasi yan eh, kaya sinishare, talagang ma-share talaga ang happiness niyan at saka joyfulness dyan. Ang ganda ng nyo card. Okay. Ang advice ko po, yung energy po ha, kung sino mang uofera ng favor, please don't accept it. Mag-say no ka agad. Okay? Kahit ano pang malaking bribe na yan, kahit super stubborn pa yan, kung sino man yung nag-ask na sa'yo ng favor, don't. Please don't. Talagang magsisisi ka. Mamamatay ka sa hardship na you have to go through. I swear to you. Magsisisi ka. Okay, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I hope anyone can resonate this. And yeah, I will see you in my next reading. Bye for now, everyone.